Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has received a backlash from the IT community for the changes that it is bringing to the naming of Windows updates. So we talked about it in a separate video. Microsoft says that starting now, everything will be simple. They will just call the updates preview update, security update, and so on. No more very long cumulative update for Windows, blah, 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 blah. Now, a lot of IT guys are saying, well, nope, we don't like that. Because mostly, and the biggest complaint is that they removed the date of the update. So when you get an update, we used to have for example, here 2025-09. You know that update was to be installed on September of 2025. Same with the last ones we've got. We had 2025-10, which means this was an update that was supposed to be for October 2025. In the new naming systems, there's no dates. So you don't know what is the date of the update you need. And which means that although you can find that info and all of that, a lot of IT guys say, well, it's nice to see the date of that update when it was supposed to be released so that we can compare and make sure that we have the latest updates available. Because the date that is here successfully installed is the date of installation. So if your PC was shut down for 3 months and then you get all of these updates, they'll show the date where they installed 3 months later, which is not representative of the date of the update itself. So Microsoft has issued a new statement now stating that they will keep the simple names, but will add the date next to it. So which means that next Patch Tuesday, for example, instead of saying security update with the KB catalog number and the build number at the end, it will simply state 2025-11 security update and the KB catalog number and the build number at the end. So still simple, but they did say they will add the date to the updates so that you know which month this update was released and which year also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.